Another week, another video. Welcome back to Hotdog. On this channel I create content about the environment, so make sure you smash subscribe to stay tuned. Anyway, today we'll be talking about biofuels. What are they and what are their pros and cons? What is a biofuel? A biofuel is a fuel that comes from biomass, in other words something that was once alive. Most biofuels are produced from farming plants. Common crops include corn, soybeans and sugarcane. Indeed, there are many types of biofuels and some are blended with gasoline to create an alternative, potentially more efficient fuel for your car. Firstly, biofuels are renewable, meaning they will never run out. Biodiesel is produced from plants, whereas conventional fuel comes from fossil fuels, which take millions of years to form. So one day, all the fossil fuels will be used up, but plants and therefore biofuels will be still around since they are renewable. Moreover, biodiesel has net zero carbon emissions. It is indeed true that both biofuels and standard fuels produce greenhouse gas emissions, such as carbon dioxide. The difference with biodiesel though is that the crops that make up biofuels take up CO2 from the atmosphere when they grow. Alas, this means that biodiesels generally have no net carbon emissions. One disadvantage of biofuels is water usage. All plants need H2O, but water demands of some biodiesel producing crops could put unsustainable pressure on local water resources. Corn has a high water requirement and is often used in biofuels, so large-scale biodiesel production will undoubtedly strain water resources in the near future. Yet biofuels could accelerate deforestation too. Planting crops for biodiesel production requires land, and an easy way to get this land is to cut down forests. This has already happened in some places in the world, as biofuel demand motivates plantations to expand rapidly. Hence, if we increase biofuel production, we need to do it sustainably with our natural world in mind. There are also several technical difficulties with biofuels. Just like you can't put petrol in a diesel engine, using biodiesels in conventional car engines can be problematic. Alcohol fuels, including ethanol, can damage metal fittings in gasoline-powered engines, so if someone wanted to use biodiesel as an alternative fuel, they would have to fit the engine with new parts. Hence, certain difficulties with biofuels can put off many people. So biofuels do generally have a positive impact on our planet, although there are many hurdles for the industry to overcome. Thanks for watching, make sure to like the video and goodbye.